Garden. Today is March 3rd, and I'm going to give a little update on my hostas. So I did lose one of my number 5s that was repotted, and the other two number 3s are still going, although they haven't gotten much bigger. But if you recall, I did put the pots back and left them covered, and I was able to get 3 more there sprouted, and then I noticed on March 1st that another 2 had started. So they are still growing. I think I lost this one because it was in too much direct sunlight. So now they don't get too much sunlight a day, although they are in a bright room. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Garden's quick update on the hostas from seeds. As always, if you like these videos, please subscribe, like,